High value items like cameras, watches, or IT notebooks usually have serial numbers for the purpose of tracking the movements. Real-time inventory system has got a serial number function to allow you to track your incoming and outgoing of all these high value items. In this example here, this is a watch. Tick this serial number box. Click Save. When there's an incoming stock at the purchase entry here, enter the supplier's ID. Click Add. Enter the stock and the quantity. Click the serial number box. Type in the serial number or scan in the serial number. Click OK. Exit. Save. Print later. Supposing you enter the item without putting the serial number and you try to save, the system will prompt you for the serial number of this item. As supplier DO, you can also capture the serial number at the point of receiving the goods from the supplier. If you enter the quantity 10, there will be 10 rows for you to fill in your serial number. For your opening stock, click Stock Entry, Stock Journal, click Add. Enter your stock code. And enter the serial number. Click Save. If there is an inter-outlet or inter-warehouse transfer, at Stock Entry, click Stock Transfer. Click Add. Transfer to, click Add. Enter the stock code and the quantity. Enter the serial number. OK. Exit. Save. At sales entry, when you sell the item or you deliver the item to your customer, at customer DO, enter the quantity and the serial number. Click Save. Print later. Similarly, if you enter the stock without entering the serial number, the system will not allow you to save. You will be required to fill in the serial number before you can proceed. After issuing the DO, at customer invoice, you can link the DO over, and the serial number will also be pulled over. You can also directly issue an invoice without a DO to your customer. And enter the serial number. At point of sales entry, click point of sales invoice. Assuming now you want to issue an invoice to a customer, a retail customer, scan the item. And if this item requires a serial number, the cursor key will stay at the serial number, waiting for you to scan in the serial number before it proceeds to the next transactions. If user never put in the serial number and proceed to save the entry, the system will not allow the user to save because serial number is not entered. Place the cursor key at the serial number field and scan the serial number again. Click Save. You have successfully learned how to enter a serial number in your point of sale system. If the customer returns goods back to your company, at sales entry, click Return In. Click Add. Enter the customer's ID. Click Add. And the stock code. Click the selling history to ensure that the customer actually bought this item from you before. And at serial number, enter the serial number of the stock that's been returned to add back your stocks with the serial number. Click Save. If there's a return of goods back to your supplier, at purchase entry, click Return Out. Enter the supplier ID. Click Add. And enter the serial number. Click Save. At Reports, click Stock Activities, serial number. Enter the stock code. And enter the date range. Click OK. You'll notice that this report gives you the ins and out of the stock with the serial number.